is my fry tank. I have approximately 50 guppy fry in here. I've removed maybe 25 females into the 120 gallon tank and quite a few males, perhaps 10, to the 75 gallon tank, and continue to get fry from my guppy tank quite regularly. This is my quarantine tank. I have 4 fancy female guppies that have been here for approximately 3 weeks. All appear to be healthy, and I'm looking forward to select breeding them in the near future if they turn out to be free of disease and are receptive to reproduction. They may still be carrying sperm packets and not be ready to reproduce, but I'm hoping that either they or their offspring will introduce some new DNA into my stock and I can keep select lines going. I recently removed this jungle Vallisneria from my 75 gallon tank. I had it in deep river gravel with some fluorite mixed in, and I added root tabs, but it continued to struggle, and I think part of the reason was because I had it planted next to dwarf Sagittaria. Then I read that jungle Vallisneria and dwarf Sagittaria exude allelochemicals into the water column that are harmful to each other. So I put the jungle val here with fluorite in the deep river gravel and added root tabs. Still didn't take off, so I began injecting the substrate around the roots with detritus, and then also potting soil, and it's begun to take off. I see that the leaves are growing longer and seems to be doing well. There are some female guppies in this tank, and I just saw another fry. They're hiding right now since I cleaned the glass up nice to shoot this video. So I wanted to let you know that you can get rooted plants to thrive if you'll feed them, and what they need is a fertilized substrate. This is my latest attempt at a planted aquarium. It's a 10 gallon, and in here I have some very small water wisteria that were struggling along, but I put them in the substrate where I have potting soil below the deep river gravel, and I recently added water sprite, which I ordered online, and most recently moved my dwarf Sagittaria 3 plants in here, and I have put 6 young male fancy guppies in the tank, so I'm anxious to see how they color up, and they're enjoying this tank rather well.